Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. In this lecture, you will learn about machine learning using coding, part 1. Understanding the basic data types. In contrast to most programming languages, R does not require you to declare a variable of a specific type. R stores data in R objects. These objects automatically assign a type to the data based on the manner used to store it and the data characteristics. You use the following R objects to store data: vectors, lists, matrices, arrays, factors, data frames. R can support other object types, but these are the most common. The easiest R object to understand and use is the vector. A vector can contain the following basic data types. Logical contains a Boolean value such as true or false that indicates a truth value. Numeric contains any number such as 12.3 or 45. A numeric value can include an integer or a real number. Integer holds an integer value, a number without a decimal point, such as 2L or 34L. The number must not contain a decimal, and you must append the letter L to the number to indicate that you want it to appear as an integer. Complex specifies a numeric value that contains both a real and imaginary value, such as 3 plus 2i. Character defines a single character or a string, such as a hello, true or 12.3. A character data type can use either single or double quotation marks as a delimiter. Working with vectors. Vectors can store single values or they can store a group of values. When working with a group of values, you use the C function to combine them. All the members of a vector are the same type. Consequently, when you create a vector using code, you get a vector of numbers. Calling class tells you that all the entries are now of type character. When working with vectors, R automatically performs any data type conversions required to maintain the integrity of the R object. Consequently, you can encounter unwanted changes when using the wrong R object type. Organizing data using lists. Lists can contain multiple data types. In effect, lists can contain vectors. Other lists can functions. Consequently, lists can be more versatile than vectors in storing data precisely as you intend to store it. To create a list, you must use the list function. Otherwise, assume that you want to create a vector. Working with matrices. Vectors and lists are one-dimensional R objects. However, you often need 2 dimensions to express data accurately. A matrix provides a 2-dimensional method for expressing data. You can create matrices containing any sort of data, but you normally find them used to hold numeric data. That is all for this lecture. Thanks for watching.